Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, I'm going to show you one way that you can germinate spores from a mushroom spore print. This spore print was created by placing a fresh mushroom cap on a clean piece of aluminum foil and allowing the spores to drop, forming the print. After the print has dried, the foil is folded up and it is stored in a cool, dark area until use. Here I'm in front of my laminar flow hood prepping the work area to transfer the spores to these sterilized nutrient agar plates. But if you don't have a flow hood, you can do it inside of a still air box or in just the cleanest area of your house. I use these sterile cotton-tipped applicators to scrape some of the spores off of the print and transfer them to the agar plate where they will germinate. That part was super quick and easy, and now I just close up the agar plates using a piece of parafilm, and then I let them grow at 75 degrees Fahrenheit until I start to see some germination, which usually takes around 2 weeks, unless you pre-hydrate the spores. After about 2 weeks, you should start to see the mycelium growing from the spore streak pattern. Inoculating agar plates with spores is always recommended to make sure that the spores are clean before moving on to grain spawn and substrate. If you were to inoculate grain spawn with a multi-spore syringe, for example, you'd end up with many different strains growing at the same time, leading to inconsistent results. So by doing this, you can also isolate strains so that you have more consistent results. Here I'm cleaning the stainless steel tool and then flame sterilizing it with a blowtorch and then allowing it to cool down. Once the tool is cooled down, all I do is transfer a small piece of mycelium from the bottom edge to a new sterilized nutrient agar plate. Once the transfer is complete, I wrap the plate in parafilm and let the culture grow out, and from there I can start the cultivation process. I'll leave some links in the description to some other videos I made, like how to make your own spore print or how to make these sterilized nutrient agar plates. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or you can join the new Spore and Sprout Mushroom Cultivation Discord community, which I'll leave a link for in the description. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more mushroom cultivation videos just like this one.